Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 10 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and of course tap on the keypad and let me show you the first code, which is the easiest one, the shortest one, and probably the most known, and it is *pound 06 pound. Of course, a misclick, 06 pound. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the technical information about your battery. So it is *pound 6485 pound *. And as I said, we are in the battery info, the charging info also, so you can check the status, how much percentage you've got left, and so on and so on. So for example, that there is nothing attached, that it is in a good condition, that it is discharged, and we've got 33%. So let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *pound 426 pound *. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected or signal level. We can also tap on events and check some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view, just tap on it and tap on the status again. And here we've got much more info. So for example, the last connection duration, the heartbeat or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *pound 225 pound *. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they are grouped into particular section, which is quite useful. So now let me get back and let me show you the last code which will open the testing menu. It is *pound 4636 pound *. And as I said, we are in the testing mode. We've got two different phone information. It is because we've got two SIM slots and also the Wi-Fi info. So let me check the phone info. And as you can see here, we've got the information just like the phone number, for example, email number, data service, voice service, or signal strength. Of course, in my case, this section is empty, but because I do not have my SIM card inserted. But no worries, if you will have yours inside, then you will be able to check those info. After scrolling down, we can run ping test here, for example, just tap on it, and we've got the results. We can also tap on more, and here we can enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's get back and check the Wi-Fi information, and as you can see, we can check the API configuration or the status. So here you've got some further details, the configuration of the Wi-Fi and the status. We can refresh it. And we've got the information just like the supplicant state, SSID or network ID. We can of course run ping test here also. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your Redmi 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.